Welcome. After 20 years in corporate wellness, I've observed that 90% of programs are make-work projects for already busy HR professionals. That's why I believe that wellness as we know it is dead, or dying a slow death. But that's a good thing. This is our opportunity to assess the critical flaws and rethink our approach to creating healthy, vibrant, productive workplaces. Between non-existent budgets and poor support, programs can end up dull and sometimes exist simply to tick the "we value wellness" box on some corporate checklist. People are rarely inspired by the programs, and they don't expect much more than gym subsidies and the odd nutrition seminar. Consequently, engagement's pretty low, unless we bribe people with Timbits to attend. The fact is, what we're doing isn't working, and we need wellness more than ever. Employees are stressed, time-strapped, disengaged, and the stats show it. 2 out of every 3 people are either overweight or obese. 58% of employees have high stress levels at work. 25% are engaged in their job. 15% are actively disengaged. And the rest, they show up, collect the paycheck, and hope to fly under the radar when they can. In case we haven't figured this out, this isn't good for business. But what if wellness could be transformative? Not just for employee health and well-being, but for engagement and the business bottom line. What if we could disrupt wellness and make it the business builder that it should be? You see, companies can expect a return of $3 to $8 for every dollar they invest in effective workplace wellness programs. There isn't a CFO out there that would turn down the opportunity to invest in this type of asset. So why do so few companies prioritize this investment? It's because they fail to realize that wellness isn't about programs, perks, or challenges. It's about mindset. More importantly, how that mindset is applied to the business each day. Things like EFAP portals, challenges, lunch and learns, health fairs, they're all great for engagement. But without the right purpose, strategy, and support in place, they're ineffective at best. Corporate perspective needs a shift to thinking about wellness as a business investment rather than some nice-to-have perk that can be cut when money's tight. Sadly, we see this thinking in business every day. We know that wellness is a great investment, yet most wellness budgets are equivalent to what companies spend on paperclips and pizza lunches. This isn't good for HR because it sets you up for failure and makes it hard to gain traction in your programs. Here's a simple solution. Since wellness is connected to every aspect of the business, people, policies, facility, finances, culture, values, I suggest we create a chief wellness officer role in your company. This gives wellness a seat at the big kids table. Allows us to remove key barriers to results and ROI. Plus, HR business partners could finally stop running wellness as a hobby in their spare time. This allows us to create strategic business decisions around wellness instead of blindly launching programs into the black hole of your internal communications portal. C-level buy-in and support also send a strong signal to employees that their health, well-being, and performance are valued as part of company culture. And the great news is wellness doesn't need to be expensive either. Companies already spend money just on things that produce less ROI. So wouldn't it be great to provide a clear mandate for improving the health and performance of your people while having the budget and authority to make it happen? Imagine that. Without that, your ability to create that change is limited. And we know that creating change in wellness has massive strategic and financial advantages across the entire organization. Smart, enthusiastic HR professionals like you can accelerate that process. Progressive companies are already making the shift. They're reframing their mindset around wellness, starting at the highest levels in the organization. So help leadership shift their perspective by paving the path to ROI and sharing this vision of the future. HR has the power to positively disrupt wellness at work. So here's to the exciting future of work and your promotion to Chief Wellness Officer.